You want to see this beast mode. This is a brand new 18.3 beast, Nobo beast mode. It is a 2026, not a 25, 2026 Forest River Nobo 18.3 beast mode. Then again, customer's gonna call me, oh, what does you mean beast mode? Look how this trailer, it's an 18 foot, look how it's sitting up high in the sky. It's an 18 foot, but look how it's so high. And look at the distance from the floor all the way to the ground. Why? Because it has the curved suspensions. So if you see here, you will see off-road tires, but the most important, not just the off-road tires, is the spring and the shocks behind the tires on the axle. So this has independent suspensions and make it rough, rugged, where you could take it in the middle, nowhere. So you could take it to the forest. So the people who buy this unit, they're specifically asking for a beef up axles and better shock, better suspensions, bigger tires. And beside that, Forest River Nobo, what they give you also, 400 watt solar panels. So this unit has 400 watt solar, 200 on the roof, as well. What they add also, a 2000 watt inverters. And the inverters here, they already wired for a bunch of plug inside the trailer. So when you say the word beast mode, those three things. Because this unit, I have it exact same thing in a classic, where it does not have the curved suspensions, does not have the bigger solar, and does not have the inverters. So that's what is the difference between beast mode versus classic. So one of the major features also on the Nobo, I love that aerodynamic fiberglass cap in the front with LED light, nice diamond plate, pass-through storage. It comes with outside grill, and that's actually sit right there on that rack. Endless hot water heater, as you see right here. Outside shower, hot and cold. And then you have a nice entry assistant handles. Big awning with the bigs. Look how beef up those outdoor speakers. And it has a big LED floodlight in between. So when you are cooking here and barbecue and chill out, underneath the awning, you have a nice floodlights, 4 stabilizer jack. Love it, sits so high from the ground. A spare tire on a cover, a receivers in the back with a backup camera prep and ladder prep. This is how easy to hook up all your black and gray water. It's set high from the ground so that you're not gonna hit your sewage line. Beautiful, love it. 18.3 pass-through storage, and you could see the outdoor grill. Power tank jack in the front with a 2 propane tank. Now let's go check inside. Because it has the off-road tire package and the off-road axle, it sits so high from the ground, so you need a 3-step to get in. Now, one thing nice about this 18-foot, people, they think, oh my God, it's 18-foot trailers. It's too small inside. Know what? Guess what? They give you the big slide. Even they give you a nice theater seating with this bench. I'll show you the theater seating. Voila. And I don't have enough power, but a nice recliner, theater seating, and they lean back, facing the TV and the kitchen. Also, if you don't want to use the theater seating, they give you what's called eating table, or you have a table with a cup holder. You put your laptop like this. Where's my drink? Where's my spaghetti? Voila. So nice theater seating, nice bench in the back, windows. They give you also the bigger refrigerator here. It's a 12-volt refrigerator, around 12 volt. Again, no worries. You have 400 watt solar panel, USB plug on both sides, and facing from it is the TV, and the TV run off 12 volt system, which is plus. You don't have to worry about generators. You have the cup rinse, the chopping board or sink cover, and there's a place to hide the sink cover, and you could use it as a backsplash. 2-burner range, good size of counter space. And then you have over here the USB plug, the 110, espresso, coffee machines, toasters, you name it. Beautiful kitchen. They give you a place for cooking pans, dishes, microwave, and this is, by the way, convection microwave. It's electric oven convection microwave, and 2-burner range with light and fan. Tinsel doors, more storage. You could put your cooking pan, pantry there. And you have a full nice bed where I could lay down here. Oh, excuse me, let me fix the pillow. Voila! I could lay down here and watch the TV while I'm laying down in the bed. You have a nice window in the front, window behind you, and the whole cabinet over here is accessible. And you have a nice plug for CPAP machines, USB plug 110, doors, more closets. And this is not worry about the closets because you have a storage underneath the bed. More storage, more storage. Come with a central vacuum. People laugh at me. 18 foot with central vacuum? Yes, it does. Come with the central vacuum. Come even with the accessories. And the central vacuum is very easy, complete. This is the switch for the inverter, 2000 watt inverter. Here's the dust bus where you bring your dust and suck it inside, and here's your vacuum system. Yes, come with central vac. Bottle beer opener. That's a big deal. That's what things you look. Now, let's talk about these switches here. Now, if you don't want to say it now, some customers are going to say, well, 18.3, if I walk inside, I'm going to see the total. No, you're not going to see the total because if I close this door, you're not going to see nothing. You're not going to see nothing. You have a beautiful theater sitting facing the TV and a beautiful kitchen facing you and a nice bed. And it's all in an 18 foot, and this is a slide. Now, let's talk about these switches. It is a big deal, those switches. And people always ask me the question, was this fresh, gray, black? Well, guess what? Heated holding tank. They enclose the underbelly, the Noble, plus they put a heat pad on the tank. So individually you turn the switch. So if you're in Reno, Colorado, Montana, when it's extreme cold, you turn the switches. That blankets, the heated blankets wrapped on that tank, it keep the tank warm so they don't freeze up on you and ruin your plumbing. So in California, probably we're not going to use this because always is hot here. But in other states, when you go extreme cold, you have it. That's the control for the endless hot water heater. That's the control for your solar. And then these are the control for the gray water, black, fresh, battery, water pump, and the water heater. And then this is the controller for the AC. Now, you open this door, you have a big bathroom. I love what they did on the 26. They changed the, please take a picture of those paneling here. It's beautiful. It's all country camping. I love cowboys. And then you have a nice medicine cabinet, a sink, place for towels, and look how big the closet. So don't tell me, say, hey, well, you know, I saw the bed there, but there's not enough closet. Guess what? You have 1, 2, 3 for shelving, towels, you name it. A big, huge closet hanging over there. Plus, you have another one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then big closet. So all this side is big closet. You could utilize it for your bedroom. And the shower, easy to get in, especially like my knees hurt all the time. Easy to get in, more elbow, more height. Nice shower head, 26, and then here's the privacy where no water go outside. So this is the 18.3, perfect. Perfect for somebody want a small trailers with the theater seating and a full-size bed and the storage and big kitchen countertop and the inverter and the 400 watt solar, and all is in 18 foot, and it's ready to hit the forest, going middle nowhere, going through a creek, rocks, stones, you name it. You could do this with that unit. Come to Best RV, because our model at Best RV, give you a good walkthrough, good PDI, good orientations. We take our time, we make it ready. We do it in fast because we're a volume dealership, and we're not like the other dealers lazy. We get to the point and pass it to you. And all this work, no hidden fees, 0, 0, 0. We don't charge nothing except sale price, tax, license. Come get this Noble from Best RV down in Turlock, California.